Hello and welcome. You've started Sahaj yoga meditation? That's amazing.
Great choice. I meditate too.
Me 3.
Now today we're going to talk about shoe beating. It's a very simple and very powerful technique to clear out old habits, negativities, things you don't want hanging around in your system.
Okay, here is what you need. Your left shoe. Yes, your actual left shoe.
No special equipment, no super tools, just you and your left shoe.
And of course, a place to sit on the ground. Mother Earth plays a crucial role in helping us letting go of negativity.
First things first, like any treatment or meditation, we start by raising our kundalini and putting a bandhan.
Now place both hands on the ground and take a moment to ask Mother Earth to absorb any negativity.
Now first, we write our name symbolically with our right index finger.
Now with your right hand, draw a clockwise circle on the ground 7 times.
This is also giving a bandhan. So then we take the left shoe in the right hand and gently with the heel tap on our name. It helps clear away ego and superego.
And here's an important tip. Don't look at the ground while you shoe beat.
You can look up in the sky or into the distance. It helps to really release the negativity instead of letting it re-enter through our eyes.
You can shoe beat as many times as needed. Some people like to do 108 taps. Others stop when they feel a shift in vibrations.
Once you're done with your name, now you can shoe beat specific worries or habits.
Yeah, let's say you keep forgetting doing your foot soak at night. You could write the negativity that stops me from foot soaking at night.
And if you don't know yet how to foot soak, no worries, we've got you covered. The description below has a link for the foot soaking video.
And then you do like before. You tap the heel of your left shoe on the ground.
And again, when you're done with shoe beating that specific thing, you erase the spot and you fully let go. Repeat as often as needed.
Let's take a look at some questions and see how you can integrate those in your daily practices. Why do we shoe beat with our left shoe?
Because the left channel is connected to our conditionings, sort of patterns we've picked up that aren't us.
Conditionings? What are those?
It comes down to patterns we've picked up, behaviors we have that maybe are from our culture, from our parents, the family we grew up in, or baggage that doesn't serve us anymore.
It's like when you decided at age 6 you hate spinach and you stuck with that idea ever since.
So maybe now give spinach a chance.
What else can I shoe beat?
Anything that takes up too much of your attention, worries, distractions, anything along those lines.
Are there any limits?
Yes, there are. Do not shoe beat spouses, children, parents by name. You can, however, shoe beat negativities that affect those relationships.
And never ever shoe beat deities, only unwanted negativity. What if it's winter and I can't sit outside?
If you have a patio, a balcony, a terrace, you can just open the patio door, you sit inside, but you shoe beat outside.
Yeah, or if you don't have a patio, then use your window. Open your window and use the windowsill as your shoe beating place. If we have not answered all your questions, please put them below in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And we hope that this Shoebeat practice makes you feel amazing.
Try it out, see how it best works for you and how it resets your energy.
And don't forget to chime in again for next episode of Meditation Made Simple, Tips, Tricks and Tools. Until then, bye!
See ya!